Good morning, y'all. It is a good day for many reasons. One, because it is my first YouTube video. Okay, I'm gonna go cry under a rock now. Two, because it's freaking perfect outside. And three, because it is Meal Prep Monday. Yes, it is. For those of you that do not know me, I love Mondays for this reason, because I love to meal prep. It is so much fun to me. Anyway, so I'm going to be taking you guys to Kroger, and I'm going to be meal prepping one of my favorite breakfast meals for the week. And I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I do that, how I prep them, how I store them. It's going to be super easy, I promise you, and delicious. So yeah, and I'm also going to be showing you guys my favorite items that I buy every week that I keep in my fridge and my pantry. So stay tuned. You do not want to miss this. But first, I'm about to be going to the gym, getting a shoulder pump, getting some errands run, a bunch of good stuff, and then I will be back. Yay! I am back. Me and Connor are about to go to Kroger. I'm so excited. I usually have to beg Connor to go with me, but it's fine. We're going together, right, Connor?
That's right.
Okay, y'all, we are on a mission to go to Kroger. How do you feel about it, Connor?
I don't like Kroger.
He hates Kroger, but it's fine. Does anybody else have to physically handwrite their grocery list, or is it just me? Because I don't know why, but I have to handwrite my list versus... Stop looking at me!
What? Why can't I look at you?
Really?
Always use the hand sanitizer wipes.
Smart. This is where it is at. Yes. This is literally Connor's favorite section.
This is the only reason I come to Kroger. This week, it's Corn Pops. Next week could be Apple Jacks. Could be Rice Krispies. Could be Honey Smacks.
What I really came for the Bucci. Can we just talk about the fact that this is the third time we've been down this aisle? Because Connor wants some chips, so. Do you really need it? Let me help you. Do you really?
Look here. Life's all about balance, okay? And this is what we call a balance aisle. Alright, you see all these greens, veggies, fruits up in here. Well, you know what? You need some cereal.
You got cereal. That's all you need.
You need some chips. Maybe a cookie or two. You know?
See, ladies, this is what boyfriends are for. Connor, what day is it?
Mo Monday.
It's Mo Monday. $5. What is it? $5 Mo Bowl. So we just got back. Got a bunch of good stuff. Yum. Spent $86. Not too bad. Okay, welcome back. Kroger was great as always. Thank you. Shout out to Connor for coming. Moral support right there. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a few of my favorite purchases. Purchases? Is that how you say it? I've never really watched a grocery haul before, but I guess this is kind of my version. I don't know, but here we go. First product that I always buy, especially after a weekend of eating bad, or eating wings especially, drinking kombucha. Yes. This is my favorite flavor. Connor thinks it's gross. I love it, okay? I'll show you Connor's. This is his flavor. I've never tried it. Trilogy. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's not this one. Okay, another favorite that I must have in my fridge. Vanilla flavor Greek yogurt. This stuff is amazing. With this stuff, peanut butter. Y'all, this literally, all you do is grab one of these, a tablespoon of this, mix it together, and it is a cream cheese dip in a bowl, okay? Put some bananas, some apple, granola, whatever you want to do. So yeah, whenever I'm craving some sweets, this is my go-to. This, my friends, yes. The best rice that you can purchase. I am gonna let y'all know right now. Stop! I can't do this! Okay, before I show you this, I promise, I know what you're thinking. You're not gonna like it. But I promise you, this is so good. It's buffalo flavored tuna. I don't like plain tuna, but this is actually so good. So good, I promise you. Just go out and buy you one, or any of the flavored ones. You will like tuna, and there's so much protein in them. It's a good, healthy snack. And I'm really bad at picking out snacks, so this is always my go-to. Next snack on the menu, these bad boys. They are so good. Sweet and spicy chili rice cakes. Way better than just plain rice cakes. And they're not bad on macros. To all of my breakfast haters or people that say they don't have time to make breakfast, this is what you need, okay? So good. It's a dessert for the morning time, okay? Better oats, thick and hearty blueberry muffin. They also have cinnamon roll, apples, what is it, apple and cinnamon, bunch of stuff. Pop it in for 2 minutes. Good stuff right here. And another breakfast favorite that is super simple and easy to prep in the morning. These are so good. And last but certainly not least, my favorite, my gosh, Ezekiel English muffins. Trust me when I tell you, these are the best things ever. All you do, Pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then toast it. Put some eggs on it, some guacamole, whatever you want. I promise they are amazing and much better for you than the crappy English muffins that Connor buys. You know, just go get you some, okay?
Bling now, she no skateboard P. Bling now, she no skateboard P.
Okay, y'all, I am about to show you how I prep my breakfast for the entire week. It is super simple and so easy to just grab and go, because I know how it is in the morning. The last thing I want to do is make breakfast or make eggs. So I'm going to show you a super easy way to prepare your eggs and reheat them. Okay, so what I have for the ingredients, you start with your eggs, okay? Easy enough. I got some bacon bits. You can use turkey bacon, whatever you want, but I like bacon bits. I have leftover pico from last week, so I'm going to toss some of that. I have turkey breast, deli meat. This was like $3. I'm going to dice it up and throw it in there. Sometimes I use ham, whatever you want to use. Like I said, it's your own omelet. You can put wherever you want. I'm going to be using some spinach. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and cheese. Duh. Connor's favorite. If it were up to me, I would use pepper jack, but this will do. So, first things first, don't forget to spray the pan because it will stick. So. Next, figure out how many eggs you want to use for the next week. Me and Connor are both going to be sharing this, so I'm going to do probably 2, 4, 6, 8, probably 12 eggs, and I'll add a few egg whites, but we'll fill it out. I always get asked, how do I separate my yolk and make it an egg white? So instead of buying the egg white pack, all I do is crack it open, hold the yolk in one side, and then just toss it around until the egg white is completely out. See? And I'm going to do that probably 3 more times. Okay, now we're going to whisk it up, and then we can start adding stuff. Okay, now that everything is nice and whisked, either way. Now we can add the good stuff. So get your turkey or whatever deli meat you want to use. Just grab some and I just pull it apart with my hands and just throw it in there. You can use a lot of this because it shrinks up and you need your greens. So I promise it's not that bad. What is made over there? Okay, and Connor's favorite part, the cheese. How good that looks. So you can mix it up, but I kind of just press it down inside the eggs. And this is what it looks like before you pop it in the oven. ready to go. So I cut them up in squares, like that. Yum. So all I do to store these little egg squares, put them in little baggies. You can do Tupperware, but I just like the little baggies because I can just grab out of the fridge and go. And there you have it, folks. A nice breakfast sandwich. Cheers. Okay, that is all for today. Thank y'all so much for watching. Hopefully I'll get better at this whole YouTube thing, but we're still learning. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you next Meal Prep Monday.
Bling, bow, ooh. She no skateboard, bling, bow, ooh. She no skateboard.
You want to do some editing, you know, get the light right and all that. What kind of video is this?
I'm just testing the lighting.
Welcome to my fridge. This is Cribs, and this is how we do it around here, you know. You know,
Look at my crib fridge. You know.
Too fancy.
Is it too? I feel like it should be closer. What do y'all think? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today we're gonna be like totally doing some cool stuff.